I make money when you sign up to Coinbase using my link, which is why you should be skeptical of every video, this, including mine. So we're going to do something different here. I really want to differentiate myself from the rest of the pack. And I want to read the whole offer together with you. Every tier, every catch, every in and out, so you can make the proper decision for yourself. Because obviously you're going to require, full information for that. I'll give you my opinion as well. But at the end of the day, the decision is yours. And look, even if you decided not to sign up, look, I'm not going to be mad or anything like that. Ultimately, that just means that this audit worked and it's just not for you, which is all good. Anyways, disclosure here, the link in the description below is my affiliate link. I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And nothing here is financial advice. We're not going to be going over investments, picks or any of that. It is just a sign up offer. Anyways, go into our nice little slide here. And let's go through the full offer, the whole board, line by line. And here it is, up to 250 USDC, which is a stable coin effectively equivalent to 250 USD, and up to is doing work in that sentence. So let's decompose all of these. You'll get 25 USDC for verifying your identity. Super easy, super simple. Just pass KYC, upload your passport, ID, driver's license, whatever. You get another $25 for depositing 2,500 or more into your account. You'll get $50 for 10,000 bucks in trading volume. That sounds a lot, but it's really not. I mean, you can run up 10,000 bucks in trading volume very quickly, even with low numbers in a short amount of time. Believe me. Anyways, 150 at 100,000, and you'll also get 80% off of spot fees for 90 days. And on top of this, you'll also get 10% reduction in your derivative contract fees as well if you decide to trade those. And you'll also get even a dedicated concierge. Like there'll be someone there to walk you through all of your potential issues. If you have anything, you'll actually be able to talk directly with their team. That is one of the main perks of this. You actually get customer service, in the red carpet fashion. It's really, really nice. In fact, I've actually used it myself already with Coinbase. Anyways, there are 4 cash tiers. And they are not actually created equal, as you might expect. 2 are free. 1 is fine, and 1 is actually costing you money. And I would say, honestly, real money in this case. And if you chase it wrong, I'll show you that math because nobody else is pitching the offer. I assume has really bothered with, because this is where things start to look maybe not as simple. So let's get into our next slide show here. And let's go over the low effort tiers. So tier 1, of course, 25 USDC for verification. Super simple, super easy. Like I said, everyone knows how to do KYC nowadays. Upload a picture of your driver's license or your passport, whatever, just proof that you are who you say you are, hopefully. The cost is about 10 minutes and a selfie. Hopefully you have, a mobile phone. If you don't, maybe focus on that or a camera of some sort. Anyways, the only way to lose it is honestly the clock. Anyways, the verification reward expires 7 days after you sign up. So verify the same day, just get it out of the way, get that money in your pocket. This is the closest thing to free money that you're going to get in this entire offer, realistically. Tier number 2, however, is 25 bucks for 25, I should say, USDC for depositing $2,500 into your account. Notice the word deposit, not spend. The money stays yours. If you have it, fine. If you don't, skip it and lose nothing. The tiers are independent, so it's really not going to make a humongous difference here. Anyways, moving on from there, we'll keep this nice and short. Volume tiers, the math beat. And I do want to state that now the trader tiers, you really should pay attention if you're going to be more actively trading. This is the part that can go negative if you don't do this properly or don't understand what I'm about to say. So you get 50 USDC at 10,000 of volume. With the discount that you'll get from that link in the description below, you'll get 10 grand, costs about $24 in taker fees if you're just marketing your orders. You net roughly about $26. With limit orders, you'll only have about 12 bucks in fees. So you'll net about 38 bucks overall. Positive either way, fine. But obviously, more is better than less, or at least I would imagine most people agree with this. And you also just generally probably get better prices, to be fair too, if you're picking your limit orders, assuming you get filled. Anyways, the 150 at 100,000 is different. However, as a taker, that volume costs about 240 in fees. And again, when I say taker, I just mean that you're putting in a market order or getting filled at market. So add up both volume bonuses, 200 USDC, and you're still down 40 bucks if you do it that way. That is why it's incredibly powerful to use limit orders, especially if you can get on the Coinbase Advanced, which is super simple. You just press a little slider at the bottom left of your Coinbase interface. Anyone can do it. It just takes one click. It's hidden there for whatever reduce your phase just by doing that. Super simple, super easy. Anyways, chasing the top tier with market orders is a donation, and ultimately you're not going to end up ahead. So if you're going to trade that, this is a wash. You shouldn't get this. It's not going to help you. I mean, I guess it'll reduce things overall, but still, you're not going to come out on top on that. But as a maker, meaning that you put in a limit order to get filled, again, off market, meaning you're not getting filled immediately, you'll have about $120 in fees against 200 in bonuses. So that is positive, obviously. So the rule, never manufacture volume to chase a bonus or reward. That's how they kind of hide these things typically, or at least that would be my sort of skepticism there. If you were trading anyways, well, just use limit orders, and the tiers are a lot more simple, a lot more easy. If you weren't, the math just told you don't start. Again, going back to the beginning of this video, that, in my opinion, would be not worthwhile. Like, just move on to the next one. Like, it's not going to help that much. One more line that matters that you should know: volume only counts on Coinbase Advance. So that is just a simple screen buy, counts for nothing. So if you're doing it on like their usual default interface, you're not going to get any of that. If you do it on Advance, then yes, that's where you start to incur these. And ultimately, Advance, even though it sounds in Advance, look, anyone can understand the Advanced. I'll have a tutorial on it later on as well. It'll be linked in this video series. It's super simple, super easy. It takes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes to understand, and then you'll know it back of your hand if it's not already obvious enough, to be honest. Anyways, let's go to the next slide here. And here's the thing. Here's the perk that nobody really values correctly, at least in my opinion. I've been, in research for these videos, I look at other people's videos and see what the hell they're saying. And in my opinion, this has not been done the best, let's say. So here's the thing. The best part of this offer isn't any of the cash tiers, really. It's the fee discount is what you're getting. That is ultimately the best thing about it. Even if you don't trade all that much, it still impacts your overall bottom line, in my opinion, significantly. And the more you trade, the more significantly it will certainly impact that. Anyways, nobody prices this for that reason. So 80% off of spot fees, that is humongous. That is tremendous. That is a lot more money in your pocket. Buying $100 of Bitcoin a day, I do on my, all my daily live streams or videos. The default screen charges around about 314 in fees over those 90 days. So if I were to repeat that process for 90 days, buying about $9,000 of Bitcoin, I will pay about 314 in fees. With the discount on Advanced, I pay only $22. That is a significant reduction. Again, just more money in your pocket. I think that this is a no-brainer for anyone. That's $250 that you get to keep extra in your actual investments that you actually wanted. Bigger than the verify bonus and the deposit bonus combined. That's where the real stuff is. The boring perk is the valuable one, honestly, and that's typically how it is, at least from what I've seen on, on these sort of offers. Anyways, the catches, all 5, no rushing. Again, there's no major rush to do this now. Now everything on the other side of the leverager, no asterisks. I haven't read you. I want like full disclosure here. 1, the bonus principal is locked for 10 years. So the USDC lands in your account, you can trade with it, no problem. But the principal is not cash out tomorrow money. You can't just do that. I mean, that would be a nice loophole. But yeah, they obviously their interests are keeping you on their exchange. It's trading capital that you can trade with, and then you can withdraw profits from trading. That's fine. But if you came for a withdrawable sign-up bonus, that's not going to work in this way. So again, just if that's what you're looking for, I wish you the best of luck, but it ain't here. You're wasting your time. Number 2, the fee discount ends after 90 days. Then your rate floats with your volume tier. I'm going to be working with Coinbase, hopefully, to get this more dialed in, we'll say. I'll have updates on that later. But anyways, 3, the volume tiers are only on the advanced mode in Coinbase. And of course, that's where we're covering this. And number 4, not available in the UK, Turkey, the Philippines, or Canada. Why these countries? I don't know. That's a very strange cohort of countries together. But yeah, I guess it's their regulatory rules. At least that's what it is as of now. Maybe that changes in the future. This is being recorded in August of the year 2026. If that's you, this whole video was informational, and honestly, sorry for wasting your time. But yeah, I don't know, blame your president or your whatever your politicians are doing over there. I guess, I don't know. And number 5, the 7-day verification clock, only a catch if you let it be. Again, once you sign up using that link, complete the verification within 7 days. Otherwise, they won't give you that. It's the easiest thing to do anyway. So, very, very simple. Anyway, let's go to our next slide here. So the verdict, and then we'll close this out. So the audit result, complete beginner. Take the verify bonus. Use the fee discount, ignore the volume tiers entirely if that's you. Like, you don't need to be professional or even like intermediate guy immediately. It's all good. Like, take your time, but at least get those. That is free money, more or less. Regular buyer, daily or weekly DCA, the fee discount is a real prize for you, in my opinion. Again, this is all just my opinion here. Active trader, volume tiers are genuinely positive if and only if you're a maker, meaning, again, you're putting in limit orders rather than market orders. Again, limit orders just, or we don't bother. I mean, it's still going to reduce you overall if you're on market orders, but yeah, you will be in a bit of a hole there. It's just less of a hole than, I guess, if you didn't have that. So fair enough. Anyways, and of course, if you're in an excluded country or you just wanted the bonus, you can withdraw next month or next day, realistically. Just pass, genuinely passing is a fine outcome. Like I said, all good. Anyways, if you've gotten this far and if the math works out for you and your situation, then it's the first link in the description. And that's the one with all this attached. I won't waste any more time. That's where it is. Make your own call and I'll see you in there. Take care.